So students, previously we saw how to draw using one point perspective. Now we are going to see how to draw using 2 point perspective. In this there are two vanishing points instead of one. Let's see how. First draw the horizon line like this. And then two vanishing points on the left and right side like this. Then draw a vertical line which will be passed through the horizon line like this. It can be anywhere on the page. It can be in the middle or little sidewards. Basically anywhere. Join the vanishing points with the vertical line like this. And repeat it on the other side. And below horizon line, the lines can insert anywhere like this. Then don't move the scale from the vanishing point. Just move the other side like this and draw a line. Repeat it on the other sides. These are our guidelines. Let's start drawing buildings. For that you have to simply draw vertically lines like this. As you can see, I have drawn some small lines and some big lines. These are the various height of buildings. Their lines are the front part of the buildings. Now to draw the side parts, we have to connect it to the opposite vanishing points. Let's draw some windows and doors. Now I wanted to show footpath. For that I will draw two intersecting lines below the horizon lines like this. Now let's draw road. For that you have draw two more intersecting lines like this. Now let's give some detailing on footpath. For that I will draw checks pattern. And for roads detailing, I will draw zebra crossing. You can add additional things such as trees, bushes and sky. Now the drawing is ready. Erase the unwanted lines. Outline it with black marker or pen and erase the pencil lines and color it as you want. We will come with new videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.